AI for small business. Why it matters and why AI can make a difference in your company and your own activity. We are in a point where we everything is changing so fast, and technology is becoming more and more easy to be used and more effective in the results they can provide. Now, the problem of the majority of entrepreneurs that I met in my life, I'm Luca Papa, founder of Digital Coach, and I've been working with more than 10,000 entrepreneurs in my lifetime as a trainer, as a coach, a mentor. And what happens is that the problem for many entrepreneurs is the fact that you don't have all the resources of a big company. In a big company, when they need to implement their content marketing, their digital marketing, their social media marketing, for them it's easy because they can hire agencies, web agencies. They can even, how can I say, hire employees, pay them a fixed salary, while you, as a small business owner, you are tired of web agencies. You struggle with web agencies, usually digital agencies, and you cannot allow yourself to, how can I say, to hire a full-time employee dedicated just to online marketing. So what can you do from this point of view? What can you do right now with the technology? You can execute a lot of tasks in your company, avoiding a digital agency through AI. AI is the perfect solution for a small business. Why? Because once you learn how to use AI, you just have to learn how to use AI. Then you can ask AI to help you with your copywriting, with your sales pages, with your SEO, with your blog post, with your social media content marketing, with your visual content, with your video marketing, also with your customer service, at least during, for example, answering to ticketing or to emails and so on. So you can do a lot of things that previously you had to hire somebody to do those things or to hire an agency to do those things. And the standard of AI, I can guarantee you that most of the time is higher than the majority of web agencies. If you know, obviously, how to use AI properly, and you know the basics of the discipline of digital marketing basics, and we can teach you the basics of digital marketing world, and the basics also, and also the basics, but also very advanced features of AI and how to manage AI. Once you learn, you just have to learn, and we are here to teach you. You will have the power to scale up your business, to automate a lot of tasks, to go much faster in everything, at least 10x faster, and to save a lot of money in agencies and employees. So if you're interested in knowing more about our AI for small business implementation coaching, because we have an implementation coaching where every week we help you to implement strategies and activities and execution with AI, and we will be happy to help you with a free consultation and then a next step with us. Okay, bye bye, Luca Papa.